All right, I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to find your work week to week in the D2L shells for math. So once you log into your D2L, you'll see a screen similar to this. And obviously yours will be a lot less crowded. I have access to all of the shells. But you'll eventually scroll down or scroll across and you'll find that you should have access to the HT Cartwright community and then the math and science for your grade. So I'm going to go into Math 9 here for grade 9s. And Math 8's structured much the same way. And you'll find your main landing page. Now, you can find all your work for the week here in announcements. You should read your announcements each week, because may have important information for other things like we had option courses earlier, other things like that for high school. That could be important, so keep your eye on the announcements tab, but things are always here so you can scroll down. But you might notice that this can get pretty long and kind of hard to read through sometimes. So if this is a lot for you to, kind of manage and look through, the next best place for you to go, or I actually think the best place for you to go, is clicking on this content, this green book right here. And this has all of your work attached to it. Now you'll notice in content that on the sidebar here, we're organized into weeks. There's week 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for each week, you can see your work. So I'm going to go to week 1 here to start at the very beginning and show you how it looks. Now, on each of these, there are things where there might be check-ins, or it could be a small page with a lesson on it. You can click on the lesson, and you'll see all of your work. The links here will bring you to other things that you might need to work on. And once you've completed all of your work, you might have an exit pass to work on. So it tells you to click on your course tools, then scroll down to quizzes or do the exit pass with the complete and submit. All that means is you go up to this bar up here and you click quizzes, and it will be able to bring you to your quiz. I'm going to go back here. You can also find some of your big tests, at least, in the content as well. So there is actually a check-in right here for week 1 that you can click on after finishing tasks 1, 2, and 3. And it tells you how to find your check-ins. So this is where you find your work and content. And then for your quizzes that you need to work on, so we can keep track of your progress, you go here and you can see your thing. So we don't have the week 1 content because the shells did change a little bit, but we do have week 2 and onwards. So you can scroll through these, you can click on them, give them the attempts. These all will let you have more than one attempt, or they should at least. So if you don't do very well on your first one, you can go back and try again with the lessons you've learned. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, remember to email your math and science teacher, and we're always happy to help you. Thanks and have a good day.